This portion is brought to you by Salveo Well, saving lives. Salveo Barley Grass. Why Salveo? Because it is 100% pure and organic, a superfood, an FDA approved, a multi-awarded supplement, grown in a pollution-free